Hello guys, welcome to Cricket Club once again. Guys, I am going to provide you information regarding casino and card games. That how can you play casino and card games in ID as you play in your real life. So first you need to put username here. I am putting my username here. After that password. Now I'm doing login. You can also access through application also on this site. Its application is also available. Now you see here like this is interface available of site. Okay, so this is video. This video is regarding only regarding casino and card games. So first I am going to explain you some very popular card games which you play in real life, like Teen Patti. As you can see here, there are variation of games: one day Teen Patti, test Teen Patti, 2020 open Teen Patti. So this is the same way like you know about cricket matches. There are test match, 50-50 over match, ODI which you call, and 2020 and T10 match. In the same way, here we also get variation in the game of Teen Patti. So I am going to play here 2020 Teen Patti. Now you can see this kind of interface you will get when you open your 2020 Teen Patti game. Now game is very simple, nothing is difficult here. You need to understand some basic things. First thing is here you see there player A and player B. Two players are here. Okay, so you have to select only one player, like you can select player A or player B, and if your selected player in that portion big card comes as compared to other one, so you will simply win. Now you see player A and player B, we now see that which side big cards will come. Player A 5, player B 7. Okay, again we are going to see player A 10. Just keep watching. This is all real live game. As you can see behind television there, you can also check that channel on your TV. Same thing will be coming at the moment. Now you see all cards are open, both sides 3 cards, and now you see player B has got bigger cards, so player B is the winner here. Okay, now I am going to show you how can you place the bet. Now after once the winner is declared, now next game will start. Now you see next game is going to start, and the lock you can see here in front of player A and player B will open soon. Just keep watching. Now lock has opened. Now suppose that I say that player B will win this time, so simply in the front of player B I put like this and I bet there only 100 rupees. Okay, this is just to show you now. So I submitted this amount. Now I have placed bet on player B. Now if player B gets bigger cards as compared to player A, then player B means I will be winner. Keep watching. Now fast he's shuffling the cards. Now he's going to just open the cards. It takes 10 to 15 seconds. Now time is over. Now it's time to open the cards. Guys, keep your eyes open. I am on player B. If player B gets bigger cards, then I will be winner. See what happens. How is my luck working at this moment? All are real games. I am again repeating, you can watch the television behind that same channel. If you check on your TV, same thing will be coming there also. Keep watching. Let's see who has got bigger cards. Oh shit, man. Player A is getting bigger now. See. What? As you can see, player A has got big cards and player B has not got. So I lost this 100 rupees. Okay, no issue. Okay guys, once again I am going to place bet. As you can see, I am going to place bet on player B again. I put 100 rupees here. Okay, I have put my money there, place bet, and now I see what happens. He's just going to shuffle all the cards. Then now bet is locked. Just wait, let him shuffle all the cards. Fast man, we don't have much time. Yeah, fast. See, he's shuffling all cards. Keep watching. Soon he is going to open the cards and we will come to know that who is going to win. We are again on player B. I have placed money on player B again. See this time what happens, player B gets big cards or not. Okay guys, it starts now. He's going to open all cards. First card is 6. Okay, there upside. And now my side, player B. I am on player B. Okay, 9. Very good. Keep opening. Fast man. Okay. Now my side, player B. That's good. Very good. Keep fast open. Don't wait, man. Oh, fast. And you see. Now you see. First bet I lost, but second bet I won. So this is the game. It is game of luck. It is game of your skill. That's it. You will win also, you will lose also. But if you play with good luck and with skill, mostly times you will win. Hello guys, welcome to Cricket Club. Guys, in this video I will explain you, I will show you that how can you play roulette game in ID. So first you need to put your username here, then password, and now login. I have already put username and password. Now I have logged in. Now site has opened, you can see. Now first we will click here on live casino games. See, we are entering in live casino games. Okay, now you see on 4th number roulette here, roulette. Click here. Now it is opening roulette live game. See, now it started. Now first thing I want to tell that these all games which you get in ID from premium sites, these all are real live games. Means you don't need to go anywhere in any casino. Okay, you get all those games live on your ID. Remember, these all are real games, nothing is computerized. You can see the person, the TV behind, okay, running TV, everything is available, you can check out. So now I start the video. So this video I start here, 1 minute. Okay, as you see, that this game, moving ball, net is little slow, wait, yeah, now it is coming properly, you can see clearly. So first I want to clear some rules of this game. See, here 1 to 36, total 36 number are there from 1 to 36, okay, in roulette game. So you get different options to place bet here. First option you can see written 1 to 18. This is what, that if you think that ball will stop on number between 1 to 18, so you can put your money here 1 to 18, just click once and your bet will be placed. In the same way, if you think that 19 to 36, you can see downside, left hand side downside, 19 to 36 is given there. If you think that ball will stop between 90 to 36 number, then you will what, click here on 19 to 36. Getting In the same way, if you think that number like any number red number will come, so you will put on red number, click. And if you think any black number will come, then you will click on black number. Okay, here you can see black and red numbers. Okay, now other options I want to go through. Here you can see first 12, second 12, third 12. These three options means total 36 number that are divided in three parts. First 12 means 1 to 12, second 12 means 13 to 14, and third 12 means 25 to 36. Here you will get double money. Like if you think that number between 1 to 12 will come, okay, ball will stop between 1 to 12 some number, then you will click on first 12, sorry. If you think no, this will come like 13 to 24, so you will click on second 12, and in the same way third 12. I think you guys will be getting my words. Now the interesting part comes here. If you think that 20 number will come, like 1 to 36 numbers are given, and if you think like 26 number will come, click on 26 number, and if the ball stops on 26 number, then you will get very big amount. Like how, suppose that on 26 number you have placed bet for 1000 rupees and 26 number comes, in that case you will get 26,000 rupees. So whatever number you choose, multiply your money by that number, you will get that big amount. Okay, remember what I am saying. So this is also one way, other way how you can place bet. Now I am going to show you also, and one more option is left. See, even and odd. This is very interesting, and I usually play through even and odd. Okay, or 1 to 18, 19 to 36. These are my two favorite options which I use to play here always. So here in even and odd, if you think some even number will come, like 1 to 36, if you think even number will come, click on even. If you think odd number will come, then click on odd. Now see, usually you will see that usually here number comes in series, like even, odd, like that. Usually you will observe. So this game is about luck and your skills of observing. Okay, luck matters a lot, but your skills also matter everywhere, whether it is gambling or anything else. So guys, let's start the game. I show you how you can place bet. Now once I observe the game, bet has closed, let this lady roll the ball, and now I see where ball stops. Last number was 29 came, that was odd number. This time also odd should come, I think, according to my guess. Let's see what happens. No, it has come even number. Okay, now I start my bet. Even has come, I think again even will come, so I am going to place bet on even number. See, I have placed 250 rupees on even number. You can see in front of even 2.50 is coming. Now see, this lady is going to roll the ball. Yeah, now see, if the ball stops on some even number, then I will win. Guys, let's see what happens. I hope I try to win this time. Please God.
20 black is
Yeah,
number.
you see 20 number came. What, this is even, so I have won the money. So see, 17.5.0. In starting this was 1500 rupees. In starting of the video you can see above balance was 15. Now it is 17.50, means 250 rupees I have won. Now guys, please listen to my message carefully. If you want to save your money from fraudsters or from fake bookies, then this message is for you. If you are using Telegram, then remember there all channels, at least 99% channels, they are just doing fraud with you. They are having fake subscribers, fake views with the help of software, and you guys think that they are having such real members or real views. So I just tell you the right way to choose your bookie. For the example, if you come to us, you ask us, then what you have to ask to us or to anyone if he is claiming to be a genuine bookie. First, check our Telegram channel history. We are working from 2016. You will get day by day or time to time payment screenshots and daily updates from 2019, because 2016 we were providing, but in middle means before some years, 2 years, there was some restrictions, so we deleted all the data that time. But still from 2019 to till today you can get all the data like match updates, daily schedule updates, payment screenshots, like this. Second thing is there, you can check our testimonial videos, means some of the clients have shared their views, okay, in video, so you can watch those videos. That is main thing, you will usually get nowhere such kind of videos on any channel, but we provide you such videos. Third thing is there, you can ask us, like we are claiming to have so many clients, so we will be getting daily recharge also na, means people will be sending us money to recharge in their ID na. So you can ask us WhatsApp chat screenshots of those people who are taking recharge in ID, okay, daily for us. So like that you can also get more information. And now one more thing, that we are the only one who can provide you ID face to face. If you want to take ID in your city, then we can provide you ID face to face. We are genuine, so we have no problem. We don't hide our identity, but you need to go through all those points which we are mentioning right now. You can, as this way you can save your money from any fake bookie. Remember, so many bookies are available on online market, but when it comes to real genuine bookie, then only 1% out of 100% you will find really reliable or trustworthy. Okay, thank you guys.